Okay, in this lesson, I want to show you how to create a task, how to see the detail view, and how to rename a task. So, first of all, you can also create a task from up here inside that list. Bits Media is the name of my company, but for now, let's just go to inbox where we don't have any tasks. And to create a task, just click here on add a to do and just add some project you will be working on. So let's call project I don't know, design wallpaper for company I don't know, yellow circle. Okay, let's call that the name, the company we want to design a wallpaper. As you can see here, the cursor is blinking, so that means we're in editing mode. We can also add a few more details. Let's see, design a wallpaper for company yellow circle in two formats. Okay. So to add that to do or to add that task to Wunderlist, just hit enter and it automatically adds into your inbox. So this is the first view of a task. To enter the detailed view, to enter some details about the wallpaper, just have to double click the name of the task, and it opens the detailed view panel in the right. Okay, here on the top right, you can also rename the task. Let's see, design a wallpaper for company yellow circle. That's enough. The formats will specify the formats in a note or subtask. Okay, so let's see what else can we do here. We can set a due date, we can set a reminder, you can add a subtask. In design on a wallpaper, the subtask can be different sizes. Okay, you can also add a note, so maybe the customer has some requirements, and adding a file means that at the end you can also add the wallpapers you've made for the company yellow circle. If you have to collaborate with someone with this task, you can also add a comment, so the person will see further requirements or another tasks that are given to this project. Okay, so renaming a task, we've done that. Let's create another task. Design a wallpaper. Let's design a t-shirt for red dot company. I don't know, another company. Also hit enter, and let's create another one. I don't know, let's say something more personal, like wash the car for the wedding. Let's say I'm getting married, but I'm already married. So let's say that is all. If you want to rearrange tasks, all you have to do is just click and drag one of them, and you can see there is a tiny blue line that shows exactly the position where the task will be set. So let's do that again. Okay, let's say that I want to design a wallpaper, but not before I wash the car. So just get there on the last task. Okay. Washing the car is very important for me, so place it on the top. If I have already washed the car and I want to get the job done for designing a t-shirt or wallpaper, to complete a task, all you have to do is check this little square on the left, and let's just do that. Okay, you can hear a sound. That means that the task has been completed, and all the completed tasks will be shown here on show completed to-dos. Okay, here is wash the car for the wedding. You can also close that. If I want to sort the tasks, I don't know, by importance or by adding date, here on the top right side we have sort. We can sort them alphabetically, sort them by due date, is if I have assigned them a due date, not yet. Sort by creation date, when I have created them, or by priority. You can set the priority of a project by clicking the little star in the right, and it puts a beautiful red sign over it. Okay, so here you can assign them due to let's say priority. Okay, if you want to delete a task, not complete it but delete it, all you have to do is right click on it, and here you have delete to do, and it deletes it. It asks you if you want to delete it because it's not an action you can undo it. So let's delete that. Okay, this is how we add, arrange, rename, and delete tasks in Wunderlist. In a moment we'll see how can we add a little bit of detail to a task. So I'll see you soon.